Premiere just added a feature that automatically masks and rotoscopes everything for you. I used this feature in my last edit and everybody was loving it. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can use it in your videos.
And make sure to stick to the end of the video because I'm gonna be showing you guys these cool masking effects that I use in the Instagram reel.
All right, I'm gonna teach you guys how to mask out your subject. So you can see in this frame, I'm just jumping on a, I'm just jumping with a jump rope. And then you can see right here that it's completely masked out. I did the exact same thing on this. So you can see right here that I am just doing some stuff. I'm on my phone, looking handsome as always. And then here you can see it automatically masks this all out. And this is all inside Adobe Premiere Pro beta. You can go in beta and use it right now. And one more thing, I use this as an actual transition. So here's just a boxing bag. I like to box, so here's a boxing bag swaying left to right. I thought that was really cool to get a transition idea from. So I took this, I completely masked it out using that feature, and now you can see it only grabs this, no background. And I took all of these, and by the end of the video, I'll teach you guys how to do these effects. All right, we're gonna go back to this clip right here, and we're gonna turn this clip into this clip. We're gonna grab me. So the first thing, you wanna go to the first frame of your clip, make sure it's a good spot where you can see your subject. And then what you need to do is come up to the unassigned masks. So once you have that clicked, come down to this button right here. It looks like this. It says Object Mask Tool. If you hold it, it's in like the Ellipse Mask Tool, Rectangular Mask Tool. Make sure to grab the Object Mask Tool, because then when you come up here and highlighted this, then you can see it automatically grabs me, this handsome man. It actually doesn't even grab my glasses. Like look how clean that is. It'll only grab my glasses if I want, or it'll just grab me. That's sick as fuck. All right, and now all you have to do is click it. So just click. Now you can see it has automatically grabbed me. And let's add this too. So if you have multiple objects, I can just click on this one and it'll automatically grab my glasses as well. Let's say you don't want something in it, all you have to do is just click this subtract, and then you can just use the lasso tool, go around it, and then you can see now it deselected my glasses. But for now, I'm just going to hit add this, and then I'm going to circle this, and now it has grabbed that. And if you guys don't have this lasso tool, just come down here. You can change it from lasso tool or rectangle. Rectangle is just easy, you just highlight the thing that you want. If you're on the plus, and it'll grab it, and if you want to minus it and get rid of that subject or get rid of that thing, then just do the exact same thing. Now, once you've done that, I recommend going to the first frame, and then all you have to do is just hit this track selected mask forward, and once you hit that, it's going to track it automatically. So each single frame, you can see it'll start to go very soon. Premiere, there we go. See, you can see the video is playing and it's tracking everything around me. It's doing that automatically for you. You don't have to do the manual anymore. And so now we have it tracked. Now all you have to do is come down to the opacity, grab this mask, so just left click, drag, drop into opacity, and now it automatically will do it for me. It's pretty easy and simple, boy. Boy! So that is how you use the mask tool. Now let me show you how you can get creative with it and make this shit look sexy as fuck. So the first mask effect I did in this video was this really cool transition that I was talking about with the boxing bag, and it's super duper easy to do. You just do the exact same thing, do the exact same workflow that I just showed you with a moving object, and then just put that video layer. So this is the video layer with that mask, you can see. I just put that on top of all these other layers. Just make sure that right when you are transitioning, that this object or whatever you're doing is covering the entire screen. That way it can have this smooth transition from boom to boom. Now you can see actually right here, if you pay very close attention, I actually mask this one out as well, and just do the exact same thing like I showed you, but instead make sure that you duplicate it so that the top one is the masked one. That way you can put words behind it. And the next effect I did, you can see I did the same thing, I masked it out, but I am the only thing that's pops in color. It has the normal color, and then everything else is desaturated, and that is very simple and easy to do. Again, make sure that you have it duplicated. The top one is the mask because you put words behind it, and then all you have to do is go to the bottom one, so the background layer, so this is the background one. Just come into here, go into Lumetri color, put the saturation all the way down, and then don't touch the color grade on the top one, or just keep the saturation normal, and you get this like really cool effect. And then I did something very similar here too. I just made everything black and white. And again, I rotoscoped out the subjects, and you can put text behind this really cool and fast, just like so. Now, if you want to create aesthetic captions exactly like me, make sure to go check out this video right here. I do a full breakdown on how I edited this reel on screen right now in under 20 minutes. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!